What's going on? My name's Chris, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect LifterLMS to over 7,000 other apps like Facebook, Gmail, Google Sheets, and many other apps using the all-new LifterLMS Zapier app, which has just launched. It's been rebuilt from scratch. It's awesome. I'm going to show you how to use it today. The first thing you're going to want to do is create a free account on Zapier.com. And then you want to click the link that's around this video that invites you in to the LifterLMS Zapier app. So you'll land on this page, and then all you have to do is click Accept Invite and build a Zap. So now you have access to the LifterLMS Zapier app. So let's create a new Zap from scratch. An individual automation is called a Zap in Zapier. So the first thing we want to do is let's start with a trigger. So we want to use something in LifterLMS, and you want to use this one, the black one. And while it's in invite only mode, you have to go through that link click that I showed you earlier in order to get access to it. So we've got LifterLMS. So let's say when somebody becomes a new student on the website, let's say we want to add them to a particular calendar event on your Google Calendar where you welcome new students. So the next thing we want to do is set up the action. So I'll look for Google Calendar. And we want to add attendees to an event. So this is the automation we're going to create. Now to finish setting this up, you just need to connect your actual app. So in this case, your LifterLMS website and your Google Calendar account, your Gmail account with Google. So you can see here that we have LifterLMS installed, and then the account I've already linked up with my API keys. Let me show you where to find that inside your LifterLMS website. So here I am on my LifterLMS website, and you just want to navigate to the back end of the website and then click on LifterLMS settings. And then over here on REST API. And what we want to do here is we want to create new API keys, which basically gives Zapier permission to interact with your website. So Zapier, I'm just giving it a name, and then I want to do read and write, click save. Now these are your API keys right here. So you want to copy and paste those into Zapier where it shows you how to do that. So once you have your API keys, you just go right here, and this is where you can paste in your API keys that you've got from your LifterLMS powered website. You follow a similar process in Google where you can choose to connect and give permission from your Google account so that it can interact with your Google Calendar. The main thing with Zapier is all about events and actions. So an event triggers an action, and you can also have multiple steps. Like you could create a student in LifterLMS, and once that happens, that's the event. And then you want to have an action to add them to a particular calendar event. You could also send them an email from your Gmail account welcoming them, and so on. So this is how automations work, is there's an event that happens and then an action that happens next. And when you look at these, look at all the different options of what you can do. So LifterLMS has these events that you can tap into, like a new course enrollment, membership enrollment, new student, access plan expired, and so on. And LifterLMS also has actions that it can do. So if we were to have something happen in another app and we wanted something to happen in LifterLMS, so for example, If you were selling your courses on a Shopify website and you want to enroll a user in a course, you could do that as an action. So these are all the actions available in the LifterLMS Zapier app. So you're only limited by your imagination in terms of how you want to connect different apps that you use with your LifterLMS powered website. And be sure to check out the resource in our knowledge base, the documentation for LifterLMS and Zapier. You can see it behind me right now. This goes into extensive detail on every step, how to learn how to use the LifterLMS Zapier app. Enjoy your automations. I can't wait to see what you make with LifterLMS and Zapier.